We often get asked how to clean the waste, because at the end of the day, most of it goes on underneath and you don't really see what's going on. We supply a little hook with all these drains. You put your hook in, you take your cap off, you expose the dip tube and bucket inside there. So take these out, just give them a wash out with some soapy water or some diluted bleach and pop them back in. No strong cleaning chemicals in there or no boiling water. This one is a Slim Plus waste. This one's a little bit different. You've got a silicone non-return valve that you take out. Just give that a quick wash with some warm soapy water and just pop that one back in. This is the pumped waste. So don't put any chemicals down here because you'll affect the pump. All you need to do, if there's a blockage in there, is to get some micro bore pipe and just ram it down there and just loosen what you've got, blocking the pipe off. Turn the pump back on, it'll just take it through the pump and the whole thing's cleaned.